Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It is only me today. I'm just coming to you with a quick video as I need you guys help on behalf of one of our subscribers. Actually, she don't even know that I'm making this video, but I woke up this morning and I feel the urge to ask for help on behalf of her, so I'm doing just that. Okay, let's just get straight to the point. If you guys have been watching us for a while, then you guys would have been acquainted with a few of our subscribers' face based on meet and greets that we've done recently in New York and in Jamaica. We've met so many of you guys, but a couple that we met by the name of Kenisha and Andre in New York. I'm sure you guys would have seen that vlog where we went out on a date with them to the Cheesecake Factory. Okay, so my point is, why I wanted to point it out, that couple, is because Kenisha, the female, her sister suddenly passed away in Canada, and Kenisha is also Jamaican. Kenisha is also Jamaican. Her sister suddenly passed away in Canada from complication due to an asthma attack. It's her only sister, so I just can't imagine the pain that she is going through at this very moment. However, there is a GoFundMe page to help with the expenses of Alicia Johnson's burial and all that. So what I want you guys to please help me and do is to go ahead and donate through the GoFundMe page of the link down below that I'll be leaving in the comment section and in the description box. It doesn't really matter what it is. It could have been $1, $2, $5, $10, $50, $100. It doesn't really matter how small it is. Every bit counts. We already donated to the GoFundMe page, so I'm asking you guys to donate. I know it's really hard asking for help during this time of everything that is going on in the world. If you can't afford to help by donating to the GoFundMe page, just keep Kenisha and the Johnson family in your prayers. I'll also leave her link to her Instagram page. You guys can go ahead and send her words of encouragement, or even down in the comment section, because I know she'll eventually see this this little video that I'm about to post. So that's all I'm coming on here to ask for help towards the GoFundMe page to assist with everything with Alicia Johnson's burial and all that stuff for the family. With all that said, thank you guys in advance. I know Kenisha will appreciate this. She'll be shocked when she sees this video for sure. However, she holds a special place in my heart. So does all of you guys. But I just wanted to help in whatever other way I can, other than just sit here and do nothing. So yeah, go ahead and donate in the GoFundMe page down below, and I'm sure she'll be thankful. Thank you guys, thank you guys, thank you guys, thank you guys so much. It's not easy losing a loved one, especially when it is sudden, and to know that it's her only sister. I know the pain that I just can't imagine the pain that she's going through. Anyway, you guys, I'm just gonna leave it right here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Thank you guys a lot in advance.